Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView on your laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. You can create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll see the main charting interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed for ease of use. We'll cover customizing it next. Now, let's dive into the core charting features. You can search for any stock, crypto, or other asset using the search bar at the top. To add indicators, click the Indicators button and choose from hundreds of options, like the Relative Strength Index or a 20-period moving average. You can also use the drawing tools on the left sidebar to mark up your charts with trend lines and other annotations. Beyond the basics, TradingView offers powerful advanced tools. You can set price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific level, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Experiment with different chart layouts, like a two-chart grid, to compare multiple assets side by side. Don't forget to explore the community section for trading ideas and analyses shared by other users. It's a great resource. TradingView isn't just a charting platform. It's a vibrant community. You can interact with other traders, share your ideas, and learn from experienced investors. They also offer extensive educational resources to help you improve your analysis and trading strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master TradingView in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.